Hello, Pilipinas. Happy birthday to my one and only princess, Mandela Rain. Rain, magmula nung pinanganak ka hanggang ngayon 7 years old ka na, hindi pa kita nakikita ng personal. Niyayakap at saka nahalikan. Okay? Wish ko lang for you is to grow up to be a good and loving daughter to your mom and dad, and also be good to your brothers Marcos Renzo and Martin Rafael. Since ikaw lang ang only princess ngayon sa family, we love you so much, from Mama Rosing to Mami Cory, your aunties and uncles, cousins, and especially Lolo Itang. Request ko lang na mag-diet ka at magpapayat. Okay? Stop eating fatty foods and chocolates. Mahalin mo lahat ang mga nagmamahal sa'yo dyan sa Philippines. And I hope soon na magkasama na tayo. Okay? I love you so much, my dear princess. Bye-bye. Take care. Kamusta kayo lahat dyan sa Pinas? Mabuhay kayo. Bye.